You want to see a cool magic trick? What if I told you that I can predict the future using only Excel? In the business world, we call that forecasting. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do that with one click. Let's check it out. All right, so let's not make this any more complicated than it needs to be. We're going to use real simple sample data. We have the month, and then we have the amount of sales per month. And we want to estimate or forecast what those sales are going to look like going through the end of the year or the next 6 months, whatever we want. Now, you could create a bunch of complex formulas. You can use statistical analysis tools, or you can just do this. Highlight the data, go up to the data part of the ribbon here, the data tab, and then you're going to click on forecast sheet. And when you click that, you're going to see exactly what the forecast looks like. You can choose how far you want the forecast to go out. So right now it defaulted to 10-1, and you can look at it as a line graph or a bar chart. It has really cool options. You can get into the confidence interval, how you want to fill in missing data points, things that we're not going to cover in this video, but you have a lot of options at your command. Now, if you want to actually include this in your sheet, all you have to do is click Create. It's going to create the data table. It's going to show you exactly what the forecast looks like on the forecast for the mid-range, the lower bound, and the upper bound, which is exactly what you see here, this little fork, and it creates the graph for you, all in one click.